Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the last strategy for the upcoming MHT CET examination 2025. So I am recording this video, that is today. I am recording the video on 10th of March and your exam is tentatively on 19th of April. So there are exactly 40 days left. Exactly 40 days left for your MHT CET examination. So this is the final countdown. This is your last final chance to put in your maximum efforts, to make 99 percentile a reality for you. Right? So let's get into the video. Before I talk about any strategy, any planning, first thing that I want to tell you is from this moment onwards, stop giving any reasons, stop finding any reasons for your preparation. Do not give reasons that you do not have the resources. Do not give any reason that you do not have time. Do not give reason that there are a lot of distractions. No. Stop finding or giving reasons. Okay, this is the time to take action. This is the time to give maximum efforts. This is the time to give it your heart and soul. जैसे कहते हैं ना, give it all. Okay, so firstly, go to the comment box and tell me that you are not going to give any reasons from this point and you are going to take actions for the preparation. Right, so let's get started. Our goal is clear. Our goal is to score 99 percentile, that is 180 plus marks in the CET examination. There are some common issues that we face. Very first is lack of consistency and lack of focus. Then many people are still unclear about the resources. People are still confused which textbook to use, what to refer, should I refer some publication notes or whatever. People are very unclear about the resources. Nextly, people have no strategy. Okay, see, what many people will do is people will watch this strategy video. Okay, then they will go on YouTube and they'll watch 10 more strategy videos. There is no problem in watching 10 strategy videos. It's okay, watch 10 strategy videos. But from these 10 strategy videos, make one strategy of yours. Fix one single strategy of your own and start taking action. Action mode should be on right now. Action is studying, not just talking. Okay, so see, to fight the lack of consistency, what you will do is you will set targets. You will set these targets on daily basis. Okay, and I'll tell you a technique what you have to do. Okay, so what you do is once you set your targets, daily targets, go to your mom or go to your dad and tell them that this is the targets that I am going to complete. Like for example, if these are your targets, that physics का ये chapter करना है, chapter 1 करना है, then I will solve physics के 50 MCQs, then I'll do maths का chapter 7, then I'll solve maths के 50 MCQs. So tell your mom or dad that these are the targets that I'm going to complete today by 9 p.m. By 9 p.m. Go to your mom, tell her these are my targets I'm going to complete today till 9 p.m. ओके, एंड टेल योर मॉम कि 9 बजे शाम को आके मुझे एक बार पूछ लेना कि मैंने क्या क्या टारगेट्स कंप्लीट किए या नहीं किए. ओके, दिस सिंपल एक्टिविटी विल मेक यू अकाउंटेबल. दिस सिंपल एक्टिविटी विल पुश यू टू कंप्लीट योर डेली टारगेट्स. ठीक है, वेरी सिंपल. डू दिस and give your, whenever you're studying, your mobile phone should not be in the same room. Keep your mobile phone in another room. ठीक है, अगर फोन पे अगर कोई YouTube से लेक्चर वगैरह देख रहे हो तो सेट अ टाइम कि दोपहर को 1 o'clock to 3 p.m. दिस इज द टाइमिंग व्हेन आई विल वॉच वीडियो लेक्चर्स. बाकी के टाइम पे आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज माई मोबाइल फोन. ऐसे करके सेट योर टारगेट, सेट योर बाउंड्रीज. ठीक है, दिस मेथड वर्क्स. आई हैव tried this method myself. I used to go to my mom. I used to tell her that these are going to be my targets and 9 p.m. in the evening is my cut time, end time. So every day in the 9 p.m. I used to go back to my mom and I used to update her that I've completed all of these targets. Okay, and I used to also tell her, see, if I have completed only 80% targets, I used to honestly tell her that I did not complete 20% targets due to some reasons, and I used to tell her those reasons. So go to your mom or go to your dad and tell them that this is going to be my daily target and I'm going to try and complete them till 9 p.m. I would suggest all of you to try this activity. Next is one book policy. One book policy का मतलब क्या कि don't run behind different books. If you have decided that I will refer only the MHT CET textbook, if you have decided I will refer short notes of some publication, if you have decided that I will refer only NCERT, then stick to that. If you have decided I'm going to study from one book, read that book 10 times. Read that book 10 times. Don't read 10 books for the same subject. Read one book 10 times for that one subject. So this is one book policy that you need to fix right now. Take a sheet of paper, divide it into 3 parts, physics, chemistry, maths, and just write down कि physics के लिए मैं क्या क्या चीजें पढ़ूंगी, कि ये बुक से पढ़ूंगी, फिर केमिस्ट्री के लिए सेट करो, मैथ्स के लिए सेट करो, एंड स्टिक टू दिस सोर्सेस. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज नो स्ट्रेटेजी. ठीक है. ये वीडियो देखने के बाद what you will do after watching this video, you will take a A4 size sheet paper and on that you will write down what your strategy is going to be, how you are going to approach the exam, how you are going to complete the syllabus, and you will follow that. Once you fix that, you are not going to change it because अभी strategy change करने का time नहीं है, अभी सिर्फ पढ़ने का time है. एक बार strategy fix कर लो and सिर्फ पढ़ो. That's it. Take action because only 40 days are left. ठीक है. So these are some solutions that I've told you and you may follow them in your preparation for the last 40 days. Right. Next is subject wise strategy. I would suggest all of you to watch all the 3 videos. I've made separate videos on how to score 100 on 100 in maths, 50 on 50 in physics and chemistry. Okay. So the link for this in the description box पे भी है और you can just go on to the channel and watch this. इसमें मैंने डिटेल में बताया है कि how do you approach each subject separately. हाँ, ईच सब्जेक्ट को कैसे सेपरेटली अप्रोच करना है ये मैंने अच्छे से बताया है. इन दीज वीडियोज आई हैव ऑल्सो गिवन सम टारगेट वाइज अप्रोच भी बताया कि डे 1 पे क्या करना है, डे 30 पे क्या करना है. ठीक है. ऐसे डे वाइज भी मैंने बताया है. सो यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड वॉच दीज वीडियोज. ठीक है. दिस इज फॉर मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री एंड फिजिक्स. नेक्स्ट, हाउ शुड योर डेली स्टडी प्लान लुक लाइक. सी, अभी नाउ देयर आर ओनली 40 days. Okay, so there is very less time in your hand. So what I would suggest is you are going to study maths daily, do maths daily. ठीक है. Then on alternate days do physics and chemistry. Do physics and chemistry on alternate days. So like for example, this is a sample daily study plan that I have created. So say for example in the morning for 2 hours you will study core study. Core study is over here you will either study, if for example on Monday you are studying physics, then on Tuesday you will study chemistry, Wednesday again physics. So alternate day you will complete physics and then you will go on to chemistry. So first 2 hours you will study physics or chemistry. Then this is fixed core study of maths. So every day 1.5 hours you will study maths. ठीक है. Then you will give 1.5 hours to make formula sheet and short notes. Like, right? So for example physics में if you have studied current electricity today for 2 hours, then in this 1.5 hours you will make a short notes on that, 1 pager notes. I call them 1 pager notes, 1 page per topic. ऐसे 1 pager notes you will create on the same chapter. So जैसे current electricity किया यहाँ पे, फिर इसके बाद उसके short notes बनाए मैंने. ठीक है. Then core study of mathematics. If I have studied matrices from if I have studied integration today, then I will make a formula sheet on integration. I will learn those formulas. Okay. So if your formula sheet is already ready, then in this 1.5 hours you will learn, you will by heart all those formulas. This is 1.5 hours. Then daily 2.5 hours you will be solving 150 plus MCQs. Okay. Now these MCQs can be topic wise, these MCQs can be previous year questions, whatever. Wherever you find MCQs, sort those MCQs and you will your MCQ daily target is 150 plus. So daily you will solve 150 plus MCQs in these 2.5 hours. Then in the end, what you will do, say before 1 hour before sleeping, or 1 hour before dinner, what you will do is you will give 1 hour for revision. Because see, there are 40 days left. So revision is also equally important. ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ पढ़ते जा रहे और भूलते जा रहे फिर. So revision is very important. Okay. So every day 1 hour you will revise whatever you have studied throughout the day. Okay. So your daily study time in these 40 days should touch 8 hours. It should touch 7.5 to 8 hours. This is extremely important because you have only 40 days in your hand. ठीक है, एग्जाम के बाद जो टाइम पास करना है, जो मूवी देखना है, आप एग्जाम के बाद देखो. Okay, these 40 days you are only going to study and give your maximum efforts. जितना भी potential है आप में वो अभी 40 days में दिखा दो. ठीक है, you have to study 8 hours every single day. That is what is expected from you in this time at least. ठीक है, this is how your daily plan should look like. ठीक है, फिर डेली के टारगेट्स की फिजिक्स में आज क्या पढ़ना है, केमिस्ट्री के में आज क्या पढ़ना है, ये मैंने इस वीडियो में अच्छे से बताया है. यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड वॉच दिस वीडियो सो यू विल गेट अ क्लियर स्ट्रैटेजी, सब्जेक्ट वाइज स्ट्रैटेजी, हाउ डू यू अप्रोच ईच सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, दिस इज फॉर फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री एंड मैथ्स एंड दिस इज हाउ योर डेली स्टडी प्लान शुड लुक लाइक. ठीक है, नाउ सी देयर आर 40 डेज. ठीक है, so 40 days में what you have to do is in the first 15 days we will try to complete the concepts, we will try to complete the syllabus. In the first 15 days you will solve daily topic wise MCQs. Okay, then in the next 10 days what you will do is you will shift your focus to revision. ठीक है, once you revise you will start giving subject wise test कि physics का एक test दे दिया, subject wise chemistry का एक दे दिया. ठीक है, सो जैसे 10 days है तो आई वुड सजेस्ट गिव एटलीस्ट 6 सब्जेक्ट टेस्ट्स. ओके, सो दैट इज 2 टेस्ट्स ईच सब्जेक्ट. तो फिजिक्स के 2 सब्जेक्ट टेस्ट दे दिए, केमिस्ट्री के 2 दे दिए एंड मैथ्स के 2 दे दिए. सो गिव सब्जेक्ट वाइज टेस्ट इन दीज 10 days. Next, in the next 10 days what you will do is from this point of time you will go on to your second revision. In this second revision you will start with your full length tests. FLT is nothing but full length tests. Okay, full length test मतलब 180 minutes बैठ के physics plus chemistry plus maths ऐसे करके you will give your full length test. Okay, then in the last 5 days, this is last 5 days before the examination, here you should focus on complete revision, extreme revision. This is last 5 days before the examination. ठीक है, so this is how tentatively you can divide your 40 days. Okay, got it? So this is a daily study plan as I have told you. Okay, these are the videos that you can watch for subject wise strategy. This is how your daily schedule should look like and this is an overview of how your next 40 days should look like. ठीक है, now last but not the least, you need to have do it right now mindset. सिर्फ प्लान नहीं बनाना है, सिर्फ टाइम टेबल नहीं बनाना है, you have to do it right now. ठीक है, do it right now. After watching this video, sit for 1 hour, take a A4 size sheet and fix your strategy now. And after fixing your strategy, open your books and study for at least 2 hours after watching this video. I will give you a challenge right now. Study for at least 2 hours after watching this video. Next is there is no time to waste. There is no time to waste in this period. Last 40 days रह गए हैं, जो कुछ अचीव करना है इस 40 डेज में आप करेंगे. ठीक है, सो डोंट बी डिसहार्टेंड कि मेरा ये हुआ है, बैकलॉग्स है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, पढ़ाई हुई नहीं, इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. अभी आपके हाथ में 40 डेज है. मेक श्योर यू आर यूजिंग दीज 40 डेज इफेक्टिवली. और इफेक्टिवली कैसे यूज होगा? विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी सिंगल डे. इफेक्टिवली कैसे इफेक्टिवली यूज होगा? स्टडिंग फॉर एटलीस्ट 6 to 8 hours. एटलीस्ट 8 hours तो मैं बोल ही रही हूँ. ठीक है, स्टडी, डोंट फाइंड एनी रीजंस, स्टडी, इट्स ओके. सी, मैंने ये जो डेली टाइम टेबल बताया आपको, आई हैव नॉट गिवन एनी टाइम ओवर हियर. टाइम का मतलब क्या, ऐसे नहीं मैंने बताया कि सुबह 6 बजे उठो और फिर ये करो. आप कितने भी बजे उठो. इफ यू आर वेकिंग अप एट 7 o'clock in the morning, if you are waking up at 8 o'clock in the morning, so if you are waking up at 8 o'clock in the morning, what you do is 8 to 10, make sure you are sitting for your first 2-hour slot. It's okay. You have to complete your daily study time. It doesn't matter at what time you sit and study, but make sure you are completing this. ठीक है, stop finding reasons. Okay, and you are not going to waste a single day from now on. Okay, because जैसे मैंने starting में ही बोला, action mode on. Stop finding any reasons and this is your last final countdown for the MHT CVT examination. This is your last chance if you want to make 99 percentile a reality for you. Okay, so make sure you are making potential use of this last 40 days. ठीक है, that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts, you can write it in the comment box. I will try to solve them in the next mentorship video. Okay, and join our Telegram channel because we are planning many different free initiatives as well for the CET examination. So you can join our Telegram group, the link for which is in the description box, right? So thank you so much everyone. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, keep studying, keep hustling.